In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete Docusign forms in just 5 minutes. Docusign is a leading platform for electronic signatures and has become an essential tool for many businesses and individuals looking to manage their agreements intelligently and efficiently. Whether you're signing a contract, an agreement, or any other legal document, mastering this tool can save you a great deal of time and hassle. So let's dive right in and get started. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Docusign's official website. This is the first step in accessing the platform where you can complete your forms. The Docusign site is user-friendly, and once you're there, you'll appreciate its intuitive design, geared specifically to cater to electronic signature needs. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This action will prompt you to enter your user credentials. Remember, you need to have an existing account to proceed, so if you haven't created one yet, go ahead and register before continuing. Logging into your account gives you access to your dashboard where all your documents and signing tasks are managed. After logging in, you will be routed to the Docusign homepage. This is your central hub for managing documents. From here, you're going to want to find and click the home icon if you're not automatically sent there. This gives you a full view of your available options, including your documents awaiting signatures and other tasks pending completion. Next, navigate to the Sign section located on the top menu. Clicking on the Sign button will lead you to a new page where you can upload the document you want to sign. If this is something new to you, don't worry. Docusign provides a straightforward process where you can either drag and drop your documents or select them directly from your device. With the document uploaded, you can now move on to the final steps of signing. You'll be ushered into the platform's signing interface. Take your time to review the document carefully, making sure everything is accurate and ready for your signature. Once you're satisfied that everything looks good, you'll want to click on the Finish button. This action completes the signing process and your signed document is now processed and stored securely within Docusign. You can also download it or send it directly to the intended recipient. And that's it! In just a few clicks and under 5 minutes, you've signed and completed a document using Docusign. By familiarizing yourself with these steps, you'll be able to efficiently handle all your document signing needs with ease and confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.